Hello everybody and welcome to another review thingy. Here on this YouTube channel.
Prepare to dive.
Today we're looking at a continuity of Disney Junior USA.
Oh, pals!
Hello, everybody.
Behold, take an imagination vacation. Muppet Babies, new Friday at
You know, Muppet Babies are as old as time itself.
5 on
First came the Muppets, then came the Babies, and then came the Muppet Babies.
Disney Junior. Buckle up with the coolest block on the block.
They got the latest new show on Disney Junior, the Chicken Squad.
Wings up, back the gun.
Chicken Squad.
Fly into all new rescues. Let's go.
All the Chicken Squad are here assembled.
Whoa! Gotcha.
One of them walks funny.
I'm Coop. That's Sweetie and Little Boo. We're
And that's all their names, so now you know their names.
the Chicken Squad, and we're here to help. This squad is
And this one is the one that walks funny like that.
dialing up their training with new adventures.
Oh, did I see a Dalmatian dog?
Investigating new clues. That broken branch over there. Chicken tracks. This must be the right way.
So they solve like mysteries and stuff, and that's my favorite wolf lady.
Show me what you got.
They know the drills.
She's like their caretaker or something.
Stop, look, and listen.
Hop, skip,
She's got two different colored eyes.
and listen. Clip, clop, and sizzle. I don't think so, Boo. They've
It's snap, crackle, and pop.
got the skills. Wow.
Oh, they're looking at rainbows for me.
This is the Fetch-O-Matic. We can use my extendoscope. What?
Very scientific.
To keep everything good. What? Chicken chain in the neighborhood.
Everything good in the neighborhood, that rhyme.
Get your squad on. To be brave. Thanks,
Wow, that's a very long promo for the Chicken Squad.
Chicken squad. To be bold. To be chicken.
To boldly go where no one else has gone before.
Chicken squad. Ready to help. All new Chicken Squad flying in Friday at 11:30 on Disney Junior.
Oh nice, Play-Doh animation. Animation is used.
Adult assembly required.
Adult assembly required. The two puppy dog pals fighting, that's not like them at all. They don't fight like that.
Hi-ho there. Muppet Baby starts now.
They usually cooperate. Yay! Muppet Babies, making your dreams come true. They're gonna be there just for you.
Chico, lead the way.
Leading the way.
Behind this great detective,
We've got
And now we're in Mira Royal Detective territory.
this.
our two furry friends.
What are you laughing at? Just a Miku. And a Chica.
Look at you.
They've got her back.
Hey Mira,
She's got Spider-Man powers.
we're gonna look for clues over by this.
And sometimes they wear nice clothing, sometimes they wear clothing that doesn't look that nice.
Snack table.
They love to snack,
Who wants some snacks?
and that's a fact.
Did I hear something about snacks?
Scooby snacks, perhaps?
Catch Mira, Royal
Would you do it for a Scooby snack?
Detective, new Monday at 5 on Disney Junior.
We have a snack, people.
Did we mention they love to snack?
Everybody knows they love to snack. The giraffe needs to be in every shot.
Don't go anywhere. Bluey is coming up. Go, West, go!
Well, they need to promote the new show, so that's what they're doing.
Saving the day.
Team Spidey!
Takes the super
This is the newest show they have.
team.
Let's use all of our powers together.
I am Black Panther.
Ms. Moore,
I just think it's a pity that they didn't promote the 2D version of this as much as they are promoting the CG version of this.
it's Spidey and Hulk time. Amazing teamwork, and we can do it together. Let's go.
Assemble your friends.
This looks a lot like the videos you could find on YouTube about Spider-Man and Hulk.
Suit up for adventure and join your heroes. I salute you, my friend.
It's Spidey time.
So now there's 3 Spider-Man and a woman, whatever.
Marvel Spidey and his amazing friends. Watch on Disney
Spider people.
Junior.
Barbie!
Hey Barbie, what's up? How you doing, Barbie?
Leopard Rainbow sold separately.
Bunny stairs to anywhere.
Mickey Mouse Funhouse. I believe this is a short starting. Look at the simplistic, minimalistic Disney Junior flat solid color logo.
Can take us wherever we want to go. And where do the stairs go? Up there.
Somewhere, I don't know, I wouldn't trust you going there. Like,
Follow me, Mickey!
how do you even go there? I don't know, it seems scary to go up there.
Pip and Freddy have the coolest job in the world.
The coolest job ever.
They take
Are they YouTubers?
care, feed, and deliver the cutest babies every day.
And they also deliver on their promises.
Tots, watch on Disney Junior.
I know the future is brighter.
Disney Junior.
Nice looking theater, puppet theater bumper. That's how they introduce Toon Bops.
Take a slice on the pie. Baby's a party.
Just for the record, I love Toon Bops. I have I have a few favorites. Like Potbelly Pig and other songs.
Do you
Oh no, this is gonna be way too epic for this channel.
hear that? I hear something. Something big. Every day, team up with Mickey and Spidey.
Are you ready?
We have to do this together. Here we go.
Wow. Ever look outside your window and see a rainbow with such vivid colors?
Wow.
I mean, this is pretty epic. You gotta admit.
Wow.
Everybody just saying wow, that's just adds to the feeling of epicness. So somebody's watching this cartoon on their tablet. Is that how people do that nowadays? One of the new Spideys. Mickey Mouse and Spider-Man, Mickey Mouse and Spider-Man, Mickey Mouse and Spider-Man. Jump into wow, I tell you how. Let's do it now. That's how the song goes, ladies and gentlemen.
Wow.
Everything's just wow.
Great! Teamwork!
So they're all dancing to the beat, to the rhythm, to the music. And they got such modern contraptions like a giant balloon. Wait, does gravity not work anymore? Oh yeah, that was a very fun moment to listen to. Very good music here on Disney Junior. Who would have thought? And now we got Goofy having a problem with exploding pants because they're filled up with water shooting from the floor.
Of Disney Junior, each sold separately.
And now Mickey Mouse is going to tell us how to brush our teeth in song form. And that's the end of this video, ladies and gentlemen. Hope you enjoyed it. Check out more videos on this YouTube channel because this YouTube channel has a lot more videos just like this one. See ya, bye-bye.